Hi, my name is Andrej Prokes. I work for Nestlé Professional on the chef brand UK and Ireland. The dish I'm going to be showcasing today is going to be sous vide lamb with anchovy boulangere potatoes, some olive crumbs and some goat's curd. In this dish I'm going to be using lamb all natural stocks, and I'm going to be using signature ranged white wine paste. So here we go, with the lamb belly is cooked after 12 hours by 65 degrees. Just take it out of the water bath. So for the next step, we've got here some lamb carcasses or lamb bones. What we're going to do, we're going to be using our lamb stock, and we're going to create a lamb sauce. So adding the bones in, which have been roasted in the oven. Put some butter in to get some, let it foam up. Add the rosemary into the bones. And to finish, we're going to add the all natural stocks from the chef, lamb stock. So for the next step, we need some onions for the dish, and then we char them only on one side, so we've got nice color. You add some thyme into it, and then we add some all natural stocks from lamb. So now the onions have been now glazed, flip them over, and we use these onions to serve that dish. Starting to finishing the dish now, we've got lamb belly here, and we're going to portion it. Hot pan, a little bit of oil, lamb belly, a knob of butter, and now we turn it the other way around. We're going to put some all natural stocks lamb stock in, just to give a little bit of a glaze. Reduce the liquid, keep basting it. So now we're going to be cutting the anchovy boulangere potatoes, and it's going to go in the oven. So the next step, what we're going to do now is going to be, we blanch the curly kale, so we've got different varieties. So we've got white and a green one. So here we've got the finished sauce, and we are ready to plate the dish. Now plating the dish, the lamb belly, the boulangere potatoes, some onions, kale, and then we're going to do some goat's curd, olive crumbs, so nasturtium leaf here, some parsley oil. So now the lamb sauce.